Good morning, all of you. In the last period, we have studied about the different types of differentiation, that is, partial differentiation, total differentiation, exact differentiation, successive differentiation. We have studied in the last period. Now, today, one more we have to study, that is a chain rule. In the chain rule, we have to consider a let us consider f is a function of two variables, say x and y. F is a function of two variables, say x and y. F is a function of two variables x and y simply, and x and y both are the function of a single independent variable. Both are x and y are function of single independent variable. X is equals to x of t and y is equals to, say, y of t. Let us see here, x is a function of x of t and y is a function of y of t. If t increase a small change, t increases to delta t, x increases to delta x, y increases to delta y, and f increases to delta f. F increases to, say, delta f. Therefore, delta f is equals to, this is equation number 1. Delta f is equals to, we have to write that f of x plus delta x, comma, y plus delta y minus f of xy. This is the change in the function we have to consider here. Delta f is equals to f of f changes to delta f, x changes to delta x, y changes to, say, delta y. By differentiation, we have to say that is delta f is equals to, therefore, delta f is equals to dou f by dou x, dou f by dou x into delta x plus dou f by dou y into delta y, divide by delta t. Therefore, delta f upon delta t is equals to dou f by dou x into delta x by delta t plus dou f by dou y into delta y by delta t. This is very important equation we have to consider here, and that is equation number, say, 1. Now we have to change the limit here as delta t tends to 0, delta x tends to 0, delta y tends to 0. We have to consider here, that is limit. Therefore, limit as delta t tends to 0, limit as delta t tends to 0, delta f upon delta t, and that is equals to, we have to consider here, that is df by dx, and this can be written as, that is equals to dou df by dt, df by dt, and limit as delta x tends to 0, delta x upon delta t, that is equals to dx by dt. Limit as delta y tends to 0, delta y upon delta t is equals to dy by dt. And finally we have to become the equation is, this equation we have to apply the limit, that is in the equation number, put in equation 1, what you have to get that delta f upon delta t is considered as what? df by dt. df by dt, and that is equals to dou f by partial differentiation, dou f by dou x into dx by dt plus dou f by dou y into dy by dt. This is, that is, we have to consider here df by dt is equals to dou f by dou x into dx by dt plus dou f by dou y into dy by dt. This is chain rule. Chain rule. Sometimes we have to, question may be asked on this, we have write a short note on chain rule. Which of the following is the formula for the chain rule? Just we have to consider f is a function of two variable, independent variable, that is we have to consider say x and y. This is what we have to consider here, two variable x and y. X and y both are the function of single independent variable. X and y are the function of single independent variable, say t, and that is we have to consider here x is equals to x of t, y is equals to say y of t. If t increases to what? Delta t, x increases to delta x, y increases to delta y, and f increases to delta f. Therefore we have to write that this is what we have equation here. We have to consider 2, equation 2. Now substitute this value in equation number 1. What we have to get that f changes to delta f, x changes to delta x, y changes to what? Delta y. Independently we have to subtract equation 1 from this, and it gets that delta f is equals to f of x plus delta x, y plus delta y minus f of xy. Therefore we have to consider here delta f is equals to, by differentiation, delta f is equals to df by dou f by dou x into delta x plus dou f by dou y into delta y. Divide both sides, divide delta t both sides, दोन्ही बाजूला आपण डेल्टा t ने डिवाइड केलं तर डेल्टा f अपॉन डेल्टा t, dou f by dou x as it is, dx delta x by delta t plus dou f by dou y into dou delta y divided by delta t. This is equation number say 2. From this we have to say that take the limit here as delta t tends to 0, delta y tends to 0, delta y, x tends to 0. Limit as delta f upon delta t is equals to what? df by dt. Limit as delta x tends to 0, delta x upon delta t, dx by dt. Limit as delta y tends to 0, delta y upon delta t is dy by dt. Substitute this in equation number 2. It gets the chain rule. What is the chain rule? That is df by dt is equals to dou f by dou x into dx by dt plus dou f by dou y into dy by dt. This is called as a chain rule. Similarly, this is for the function 2 function. Also we have to write the chain rule for 3 functions, say x, y and z. And also we have to say that if x and y are the function of two variables, say t and u, if x and y are two variable, say x and y are the two variable, x and y are the function of two variable, are the function of two variable, say t and u, say t and u. Therefore, we have to consider here, that is x is equals to x of t comma u, and y is equals to y of t comma u. Then what is the chain rule we have? So we have to directly write the chain rule for this function. df by dt is equals to, we have to write first of all for t, and then we have to write for u, dou f by dou x into dx by dt plus dou f by dou f by dou y into dy by dt. Similarly, we have to, this is for t, and for u we have to consider df by du is equals to dou f by dou x into dx by du plus dou f by dou y into dy by du. This is for function t, and this is for function, say, u. X is a function of two variables, say t and u. At that time, these are the two equations we have to write for the chain rule. This is the two equations we have. I hope we have to understand the chain rule for single variable. We have to consider chain rule for two functions, say x and y. They are independent variable of t, and then chain rule for x and y are the function of two variable such that t and u. First of all, we have to say that x and y are the for single variable, and x and y are the function of two variable. For single variable, this is the equation. For two variable, this is the equation. We have to concentrate on this formula for the chain rule, that is chain df by dx into dx by dt, df by dy into dy by dt for single variable. For two variable, one is t and another is what? U. First for t, this is the first equation. We have to replace u for second one, and this way we have to write the chain rule for two variable, one variable, function x and y are the function of single variable, x and y are the function of two variable. All we have to say that f is a function of, say, x, y and z for three variables, x and y are the function of a single independent variable. Then we have to write only third term for, that is dou f by dou z into dz by dt. This is the, we have to say, function for three variables, say x, y and z. This is the chain rule. Write down all the things we have. Then secondly, we have to write very important article, that is ordinary differential equation. ordinary differential equation. What is definition of ordinary differential equation? An equation containing derivatives or differential coefficient of first derivatives or differential coefficient of first or higher and different and an equation containing derivatives or differential coefficient of first or higher order of one variable, first or higher order one variable, and an equation containing derivatives or differential coefficient of first or higher order one variable, known as dependent variable, with respect to another variable. Is defined as differential equation. An equation containing derivatives. What is derivative? Say dy by dx or differential coefficient of first or higher order. This is what? First order. Higher order is what we have? Plus x is equals to say y. Higher order is d2y by dx square plus x y is equals to say x into y is equals to say y. Means we have first order derivative or second order derivative we have to consider, say x plus y, x plus x is equals to say y. Means we have an equation containing derivatives or differential coefficient of first or higher order of one variable, that is say x, one variable known as a dependent variable with respect to another. Here y depends on what? X with respect to another variable is defined as differential equation. We know the basic equation, what is d square x upon dd square plus omega square x is equals to say 0. This is a what we have to say the differential equation of second order. This is the differential equation of say first order we have to consider here, that is dy by dx, so x into dy by dx is equals to say whatever maybe we have to consider e raised to x, y, z, different types of equations we have to consider. Doesn't matter here, just we have to consider a differential equation containing derivatives of a single order, first order or higher order of one variable known as a dependent variable with respect to another variable is defined as a differential equation. This is called as what? A differential equation. After that, if it contains only one independent variable is known as ordinary. only one independent variable it contains only one independent variable is known as ordinary differential equation. Differential equation containing only one independent variable. ज्या डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन मध्ये फक्त एकच इंडिपेंडंट व्हेरिएबल असतो अशा प्रकारच्या डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशनला आपण ऑर्डिनरी डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन असं म्हणतो. लेट अस कन्सिडर हियर दॅट इज while in case a partial derivative of a dependent variable with respect to two or more independent variable, it is known as partial differential equation. आणि partial differential equation मध्ये आपण काय कन्सिडर करतो तर that is we have to say that with respect to two or more independent variable, then it is called as for two or more independent variables are called partial differential equation. The equation containing only one independent variable, that is known as ordinary differential equation, while in the case of partial derivative of a dependent variable with respect to two or more independent variable is known as partial differential equation. When equation containing only one independent variable, it is ordinary, and it contains two or more independent variable, they are called as a partial differential equation. Now, what is order and degree of differential equation? Order and degree of differential equation. Now, first of all, order of differential equation is the order of highest derivative. Order of a differential equation is the order of highest derivative in the equation. Order of highest derivative in the equation. Order. What is order? Order of differential equation is the order of highest derivative in the equation. Let us see the examples we have. That is, first example we have to consider here, that is y dash plus x square y is equals to 1. This can be written as r, that is dy by dx plus x square y is equals to 1. What is the order of this equation? That is what we have to say, that y dash is considered as, that is dy by dx. First derivative means here order is 1. Order is 1. Now, another equation we have to write here, that is x into dy by dx plus y is equals to e raised to x. Now here again, what is the order? Order of differential equation is the order of highest derivative. Highest derivative is the order आहे. That is what? This is the highest derivative. And order is what? 1. Then dv by dt is equals to minus z. This is equation number say 3. And then again we have d square r upon dt square is equals to minus k into r, equation number 4. Now we have to find the order. For first equation, what is the order here? Order of first equation is 1. Second equation is also what we have to say that 1. Third equation is 1. And fourth equation order is what? 2. Highest derivative, order of differential equation of highest derivative. This is the highest derivative. And what is the order of highest derivative here? That is d square r upon dt square. Means this equation has a second order differential equation. In a second order equation, this is second order. This is first order. These are the three equations we have to consider. A first order differential equation and fourth equation is a second order differential. Sometimes we have given one of the equation and find the order of given equation. Multiple choice question we ask on that. That is d square r upon dt square is equals to minus kr. Here second order differential equation, and this is what? A first order, that is highest derivative is what? dy by dx, and its order is 1. Here x into dy by dx, its order is again 1. dv by dt, its order is again 1. And then we have to find that the order of a differential equation of is a order of highest derivative of the equation. Now what is degree? Degree. The degree of differential equation is measured from the exponent power The degree of differential equation is measured from the exponent power of the highest derivative of equation. Exponent power of the highest derivative of differential equation. Now here this is the first order differential equation, this is also second order, and degree is what? This is degree is 1. Again here we have to write that this is first order differential equation, degree is 1. First order differential equation, degree is 1. Second order differential equation, but degree is 1. Sometimes we have to write the one of the equation here, that is sec square y into d cube y by dx cube brackets are cube into dy by dx square or d square y by dx square plus tan of x dy by dx raised to 6 is equals to x plus dy by dx and brackets are square. Now what is the degree of this equation? Degree means what? Highest degree of differential equation is measured from the exponent power of highest derivative. Which is the highest derivative here? This is the highest derivative. What is the degree? 3 degree. Here, this is what? degree is 6, but derivative is what? Not the highest order. dy by dx. Here d cube y upon dx cube means we have to consider. असं पाहायचं की ज्या डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन मध्ये पॉवर जास्त आहे. पॉवर जास्त कोणाची? डी क्यूब वाय अपॉन डी एक्स क्यूब. त्याची डिग्री किती आहे? तर त्याची डिग्री किती? 3. इथं या ठिकाणी किती आहे? dy बाय dx ची पॉवर 1 आहे आणि डिग्री किती आहे? 6. म्हणून 6 लिहायचं नाही. तर व्हॉट वी हॅव टू राईट दॅट? हायेस्ट ऑर्डर डेरिव्हेटिव्ह and its degree is what? 3. This is the order and degree of differential equation. Highest order derivative पाहायचं आणि त्याची ऑर्डर लिहायची. हायेस्ट ऑर्डर डेरिव्हेटिव्ह बघायचं आणि त्याची एक्सपोनंट पॉवर ज्या हायेस्ट ऑर्डर डेरिव्हेटिव्हची या ठिकाणी आहे त्याला डिग्री म्हणायचं. द डिग्री ऑफ डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन मेजर्ड फ्रॉम एक्सपोनंट पॉवर ऑफ द हायेस्ट डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ द डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन. Exponent power of the highest derivative of the differential equation. I hope this we have to understand. Order and the degree of the differential equation. Order means order of differential equation is the order of highest derivative in the equation. Order of highest derivative in the equation. And degree means degree of differential equation is measured from the exponent power of the highest derivative. Exponent power कोणाची? Highest derivative. Exponent power of highest derivative. This is called as what? Degree of differential equation. And here exponent power is what? That is say 3. And that's why highest power is here 3. And it gets that degree is what? 3. 3. Write down all the things.